Hello, this is Steve K here today, and today we are playing Solar Smash. Mother Nature wants to get even with us to get us sick. But guess what? I have other plans. Steve K is a force of nature too. Are you ready, Mother Nature, to deal with my pain? I'm going to show you what I can do. I am the active weather as well. We're going to go to Planet Smash. Good old Mother Earth, how you doing here today? You look very beautiful. And obviously here today, what we're going to do is this. We're going to pause the time since, daylight goes into darkness. And I'm going to show you where the issue becomes. Right there. See where I'm zapping at? They want to cause issues, right? Well, guess what? I just killed the virus. No codes, no sickness for anybody. So guess what? Here, that's what you get. Here. You want to give me a virus, Mother Nature? Well, this is from me to you. Oh, I gotta pause it. Show them what I think. Exactly. You can't mess with me. So you want to mess with me, huh? Well, how did that feel? That ain't good enough? Here, have a couple dragons to blow you to pieces. Yeah. Now, you want to give me a virus again, Mother Nature? Huh? Ain't good enough? Fine, I even got one better for you. Let's see. What can I do? Oh yeah, the moon, right? What? Oops. Hold on. What moon? Oh, stop. Oh, that ain't good enough, huh? Well, fine. I even got one better. Hey, Mother Nature, you want to mess with me? You want to give us viruses? Fine. Why don't you take this for a little dose of what I'm capable of? Here's your perfect migraine. There. How you like it? Exactly. You don't mess with Steve K here today. There, I blew you to pieces. If that ain't good enough, you know what? I guess we're going to have to change Earth a little bit. Let's see. Earth, we already got a piece of the virus, and here's considered the... not that one. Let's go to Neptune, where it's very cold. You want to bring viruses to me, huh? Well, I got something for you. Here. This is for the viruses, and this is for winter in general. Forget you. Here. How you like it? Yeah, that's what I think. That's what you get. You don't mess with me. No. I'm not done yet. Dumb ads. I hate ads. They suck. Well, let's go to Mercury. It's considered the hottest planet ever. You live on here, it's like living in a frying pan. Bore me. No. This is for all the destructive viruses and summer that you give us, so eat this. See if I care. You deserve this. For all the viruses you come out with, that's what you get. Exactly. You don't mess with Steve K here today because Steve K is a force of nature to be reckoned with. Now, I got even with you. How's it feel, Mother Nature? Are you going to give anybody else more viruses? Huh? No, you don't mess with me. at all. And I'm not done yet. We're doing one more thing. What we're gonna do is this. Let's turn this off. This is considered the hottest planet, right? Why not this? We're gonna do something different. We're gonna freeze the sun. If it'll let me. Come on. That's not freezing the sun. Don't worry, I'm just looking. Oh, whatever. You know what? Here. This is for you and your stupid viruses. Have a black hole. Suck you up like a vacuum cleaner. Say how you like it. Not good enough? Here. There. I blew you to pieces. You like it? Huh? Mother Nature? Stupid? I told you can't beat me. That's what you get. No more viruses. I don't care. You suck. Alright. I don't care. You don't do that to me. I'm back. We had to get rid of the dumb ad. Alright. Okay. As soon as we get a little light on the subject, I'm going to show you what I think of winter personally, or even summer. Here. Hey, Winter, here's your North Pole. How you like this? You like that, huh? That's what you get. I'm a force of nature too. Don't you mess with me. I'm just being funny, showing that Steve K here today is a lot stronger than Mother Nature. You know what? Better yet, please leave a like, comment, subscribe to the Steve K's Notification Squad, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. I got you, Mother Nature. I'm a force of nature too. Okay, goodbye. Bye.